For a few years, America looked at canals, harbors, and mountains and asked a very Cold War question. What if the construction tool was a nuclear bomb? History Unpacked. The facts behind the postcard. This was not a rumor. It was a real government program called Project Plowshare, named after the old idea of turning weapons into tools. The sales pitch was simple. The same force that made nuclear weapons terrifying might also do jobs too big for ordinary explosives. Promoters compared the atom with dynamite, with machinery, with money. If one underground device could move millions of tons of earth, maybe it could build the future faster. So the plans grew large. Canals, harbors, mining, underground resource work, and giant cuts through difficult land. On paper, it looked like public works at a new scale. But even a nuclear construction job still began the old way, with drilling rigs, survey lines, cables, instruments, and people preparing a site. The bomb was not a magic replacement for engineering. It was one dangerous piece inside a much larger system. The basic idea was to bury a device underground, release an enormous burst of energy, and let the blast throw material outward. Then came the visual proof. A nuclear explosion really could move Earth in a way no bulldozer could. The most famous demonstration was Sedan, fired at the Nevada test site in 1962. It left a crater roughly 1,280 feet across and about 320 feet deep. Official records say it displaced about 12 million tons of earth. To the people selling Project Plowshare, that looked like a beginning. If one blast could do that, a planned series of blasts might redraw a route on a map. But the blast did not leave a clean construction site. It left radioactive material, dust, monitoring problems, and public questions no diagram could erase. That was the part the pitch could not solve. Moving Earth was spectacular. Making the result useful, safe, legal, and acceptable was something else. Project Plowshare promised infrastructure. Its most famous monument became a crater. The peaceful atom could make a hole in the ground. Could not make that hole ordinary. If you enjoy finding the strange true stories hiding in plain sight, subscribe to History Unpacked.